Hi everyone, my name's Samantha Keith. A little bit of background about my experience in the field this far. So during my undergrad, I got a job as a direct support professional. So I was working with adults that have mental health disorders and intellectual disabilities. I did that for about two and a half years. And then when I did my first internship through Widener, I started interning at a local agency that offered many different programs, but I was a support staff for their nonprofit program that offered different groups to the local kids in Blair County. So they did like an Arts for Healing group, fitness, music, therapy, and I was a support for that. So through my time there, about 2 months in, they offered me a full-time counseling position, which I accepted, and that's what I do now. I'm a full-time attendance counselor and accredited Triple P counselor. If you're not sure what Triple P is, it's the Positive Parenting Program. So I work with parents who have children that have behavioral issues, religious challenges, and knowing how to discipline, implement rules. So I work the program with them. I briefly worked as a FACEIT counselor, which is crisis intervention. I no longer do that. I phased out of that program, but for about 4 or 5 months, I was in the crisis prevention program. I always describe my job as part counselor, part blended case manager. So I connect people with a lot of resources within the community, make a lot of referrals for people, and I've done that for several months now. Some goals that I would like to develop, especially in this class and moving forward, is just getting more interventions and getting more comfortable and knowledgeable with connecting theories with interventions to use with clients. I feel like that's where I struggle now. I rely on information from like other colleagues or supervisions that I have to kind of have people give me ideas. And I'm just like working towards being able to like be in a situation and like recognize within myself like what interventions may work best for this client like in the moment. I'm sure with more time it'll be easier to reach that goal, but I really look forward to learning more about that in this class. Challenges that I foresee. My biggest challenge, and we touched on it in this first week, was boundaries. The video that we watched this week really hit home for me and many of the issues I'm facing. I use my personal phone for work, so I often feel like I'm breaking boundaries and trying to be there for all my clients 24/7 when that's not realistic for me or good for my mental health. So I think one of my biggest challenges is just implementing boundaries and being super consistent to that, holding me accountable mainly, and just remembering that I can't always be a people pleaser. But I look forward to getting to know everyone throughout this course. Thank you.